Question number 11. First, what we will do? Well, suppose let this integral be I. Now, what will be the substitution here? X plus 4 as t. Okay. So, dx will be dt, and from this expression we can get the value of x, that is t minus 4. So, integral will become, see, x we can substitute t minus 4, divide by root of this complete term is t, dx is dt. Now separate it, separate the denominator, t by root t minus 4 by root t dt. So this is 1 power half power. So 1 minus half means half will come, and here t minus half will come. Now we can separate the integration. So for both the integral we can apply the power rule. Add 1 in power, divide by the same power. If you add 1 in here, you will get positive half, divide by the same power. So 2 by 3, t power 3 by 2. Here 8 t 1 power 1 by 2 plus c will come. So resubstitute the value x plus 4 plus c. Let the integral be I. Now we'll substitute here the bracket term x cube minus 1 as t. Okay, so differentiating this will get 3x square dx equal to dt. X square dx is equal to dt by 3. Now integral is, see, for this bracket we substituted t, so t power 1 by 3. Now x power 5 we can write as x cube into x square dx, isn't it? And for x square dx we can write dt by 3. And what about this x cube? So this x cube value we can get from here. We can write x cube as t plus 1. So t power 1 by 3, t plus 1, and for this dt by 3. So after further simplification, 1 by 3 we can take out, t power 1 by 3 into bracket t plus 1 dt. Now separate the integration, or before separating we can multiply the bracket, t power 4 by 3 plus t power 1 by 3. So 1 by 3. Now separate the integral. So for both the integral we can use power rule. So t power 4 by 3 plus 1 means 7 by 3, divide by the same power. Here also t power 4 by 3, add 1 in power, divide by same power, plus c. Okay, so 3 if we multiply throughout the bracket we'll get t power 7 by 3 divide by 7, t power 4 by 3 divide by 4. Now t value we can resubstitute here, that is x cube minus 1, 7 by 3 divide by 7, and x cube minus 1, 4 by 3 divide by 4 plus c. Let the integral be I. Now here denominator bracket part will substitute as t. So derivative of this will be 3 into 3x square dx is equal to dt. So 9x square dx is equal to dt. So but we have in numerator x square dx. So what we will do? X square dx equal to dt by 9. So our integral will become dt by 9. For this we will write dt by 9. For this bracket we'll write t cube. Okay. So 1 by 9 we can take outside. Dt by t cube is there. So if we take this t cube in numerator, we can write t power minus 3. Then power rule we can apply. Add 1 in power minus 3 plus 1 divided by the same power. Okay. So minus 1 by 18 we can write t power minus 2 plus c. Now resubstitute the value. T is 2 plus 3x cube power minus 2 plus c. Let the integral be I. Now put log x as t. So 1 by x dx will be dt. Okay. So here we got dx by x as dt. So our integral will be now, instead of this we'll write dt now, divide by log x power m, but log x is t now, so t power m. So this we can write as t power minus m dt. Now power rule we can use, add 1 in power, divide by the same power. So t means what? Log x. Okay, power minus m plus 1, or we can write 1 minus m plus c. So question number 15, let the e power 2x plus 3. So this we can do directly also. Okay, let integral I be e power 2x plus 3, because we know integration of exponential will be same, and since it is composite, so divide by the derivative of this, that will be 2. And if you want to do with substitution, we can do using substitution also. So that time this power we should put as t. So 2 dx will be dt. So 2 is not there in our question, only dx is there. So we will write dx as dt by 2. So now for integration we can write this expression we have supposed as t, and dx is dt by 2. So 1 by 2 integration e power t, and since it is exponential, derivative integration of exponential is same, e raised to t. Now resubstitute the value, that is t value is 2x plus 3 plus c. Question 17 is x by e power x square. So since we know quotient rule is not there in integration, we should think of one substitution here. So x square will substitute as t. Okay, no need of substituting e power x square. Therefore again we'll get the same expression. So no need of using this. X square we can use for substitution. So put x square equal to t. So 2x dx will be dt. So here remaining expression from the question we got x dx. 2 is not there, so this 2 will shift other side. So now our integral will become, for this x dx we can write dt by 2, and e power t will come. This power x square is t, so e power t will come. So now 1 by 2 we can take outside. E power t, 1 by e power t we can write e power minus t dt. Okay, so derivative, integration will be same, but then divide by the derivative of minus t, which is minus 1. So answer will be minus 1 by 2 e power minus t plus c. So resubstitute the value, minus x square plus c. Or you can write as minus 1 by 2 e power x square also, no problem. Question number 18, e power tan inverse x divided by 1 plus x square. Okay. So see, first we'll suppose this integral be I. Now tan inverse x term is there and 1 plus x square, and we know that derivative of tan inverse x will be 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So if we substitute tan inverse x as t, we will get this expression for sure. So we will put tan inverse x as t here. So after taking derivative, it will give 1 by 1 plus x square dx dt. So dx by 1 plus x square we got. We can replace with dt, and here this power we can write t. So e power t dt will come directly. Okay, so exponential integration will be same, e power t plus c. So answer will be e power tan inverse x plus c. Question 19, e power 2x minus 1 divided by e power 2x plus 1. So let this integral be I. Okay, now if you substitute e power 2x plus 1 as t, you will get 2 e power 2x dx as dt. Okay, here minus 1 plus 1 is there with this e power 2x. So you have to first rearrange the question. Okay, first you should simplify. So divide numerator and denominator, divide numerator and denominator by e power x. So see what will happen. Whole divided by e power x, and here also whole divided by e power x. So we can separate it. E power 2x by e power x will give e power x only. है ना? Minus 1 by e power x will give e power minus x. Similarly here also e power 2x, separating the denominator, e power 2x by e power x will be e power x, and 1 by plus is there, 1 by e raised to x is e raised to minus x. Now if you substitute denominator, see e power x plus e power minus x as t, denominator. Okay, so derivative of e raised to x will be e raised to x, plus derivative of e raised to minus x will be e raised to minus x, into derivative of minus x means minus 1. So see, numerator we are getting. Okay, so this arrangement is essential here. Now we can put e raised to x plus e raised to minus x as t. So this will give e raised to x minus e raised to minus x dx as dt. This is nothing but numerator of the question now. So our integral will become, see, for this expression we can write dt, divide by this we have supposed as t. So the integration of 1 by t is log of mod t plus c. So log of mod t means e raised to x, e raised to minus x plus c. Question 20, let the integral be I. Now here this question is directly in the given in the form which we have made in previous example, isn't it? No need for arrangement. Directly we can substitute the denominator as t. This is the same form which we made in question number 19. So put e power 2x plus e power minus 2x as t. So the thing is, here it is composite, so 2 e power 2x and minus 2 e power minus 2x dx dt. So 2 we can take outside, and this is in the numerator. So this 2 we can shift at the other side. So now our integral will become, for this we can write dt by 2, divide by, for this denominator we can write t. So half dt by t. So integration of 1 by t is log mod t plus c. So we can resubstitute the value e power 2x plus e power minus 2x plus c. Let I be tan square 2x minus 3 dx. Okay. So now here we'll substitute 2x minus 3 as t. So 2 dx equal to dt. So dx we can write dt by 2. So integral will become tan square. This bracket we have supposed as t, and dx we can write dt by 2. So half we can take out, tan square t dt. Okay. So now see, we don't have any formula with respect to tan square, integration of tan square we don't have. So what we will do, we'll use identity here, which is sec square t minus 1. So now separate the integration, sec square t dt minus 1 dt. So sec square t dt, directly we have formula tan t, integration 1 dt means t plus c. So half t is what? 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 plus c. Half we can multiply with this. Okay. So here for this bracket, 2x by 2 means x plus 3 by 2 and plus c. So this c we can suppose as c dash, and this is constant only. So at last this we can write as capital C, where C is 3 by 2 plus C dash. This we can mention here. For question 22, let I be the integral. Okay. So for sec square, directly we have formula in terms of tan. So this way, by substitution also we can do, or direct by formula also we can do. So directly, if by formula if we do, so this will be tan of the angle. Okay, divide by, since it is composite, so derivative of 7 minus 4x, which is minus 4. So minus 1 by 4 tan of 7 minus 4x plus c.